Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Haselton. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that I'm using my laptop microphone, so I apologize if the audio isn't the best. I'm trying really hard to get some videos out to you guys more consistently, and I currently do not have my microphone on me, so I'm trying to fit this in whenever I have the time. So hopefully the audio is good, and again, I appreciate all of the support. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a horse craft paper pad cover, or it doesn't have to be a horse one, but I'm using horse as an example. I know that this is one of the niches that is kind of gaining popularity, and I wasn't really sure how to create one of these covers before, how to show the different pages on the cover, things like that. So I'm going to show you a really easy way to do it with Canva. This will be a very quick tutorial, so if you have any questions, just let me know. So here we go. I have an example one here. Obviously, these colors don't go very well together, and this looks awful. But I'm just showing you guys how to add your pages in the front here. So what you want to do is you want to download an image of each page of your book that you want on the front. So all you do is hit the download, select the page you want, and download as like a PNG or something like that. And then you upload it to the uploads here. You upload media, and they'll show up once they are done uploading right here. So all you do is just click on one. As you can see, I already have one on here. And then I just move it over. I'll make it as thick or thin as I want. These are only 5 pages, so they can be thicker. If you have like 10 different things, they'll need to be thinner. And obviously you can do this in many different ways, but I just want to show you the basics in case you're learning and new to this, just like I am. So I just get it down to a size that I want. I don't stretch it out to the bottom because see how it stretches out the actual page? So I don't think that's an accurate representation of the product, and I think that might confuse people. So all I do is shorten it so it's behind the title here, copy and paste and put one down here. And then I will just do position to the back and do the same thing down here, backward. Now you could do all of them and then highlight each of them and do to the back if you don't want to do it for each individual one. Like I'll show you quickly here. And you can decide what part of the image you want actually showing and what part of the image you don't want. So we'll do something, let me just shorten that, move this up. And I try to make them all the same size as best that I can. Sometimes it's definitely hard to do that. Obviously, if I was taking some more time, I could make them a little bit better, but I'm just showing you guys a very quick tutorial right now. So you get the idea, and that way you can do this on your own. And don't forget that sometimes there'll be some cutoff on the end here, so usually I make the end one a bit bigger. And then I can just highlight all of these, do position to the back, and it will put all of the ones that I highlighted to the back. So then I don't have to click them individually. And the same thing for the bottom. So I hope this was helpful, and again, I appreciate the support so much. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day.